Alright, so you want to reset your trusty old Mac to factory settings. No worries, it's as easy as pie, or so they say. First things first, head on over to the Apple menu and click on System Preferences. From there, you'll want to click on General, and then Transfer or Reset on the right. This is where the real fun begins. Click on Erase All Content and Settings and sit back as your Mac prepares to wipe out everything you've ever loved about it. But wait, there's more. You'll need to enter your administrator credentials to proceed, because of course, resetting your computer isn't something just anyone should be able to do. If you're feeling extra paranoid about losing your precious files and data, you can back them up using Time Machine before continuing. Once you're ready to take the plunge, click on Erase All Content and Settings to confirm that you really, truly, absolutely want to do this. Your Mac will restart and show a black screen or progress bar, because let's face it, watching progress bars is what we all live for. If your Mac needs to reconnect to a Bluetooth accessory, like a keyboard or mouse, you might be asked to turn it on and off again like it's some sort of electronic boomerang. Once your Mac is all set up and ready to go, it's time to bid adieu to your old files and start anew. And there you have it, resetting your Mac to factory settings has never been more exciting or anxiety-inducing. Just remember, if at any point you start to regret your decision, just press and hold the power button until your Mac shuts off. It's like hitting the reset button on your life, but for your computer. Enjoy the new and improved version of your Mac, and don't forget to laugh in the face of potential data loss. See you on the next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.